All right, so you're gonna have to make some changes, right?
Absolutely.
So I read the police report. The best thing for you to do when you're released from custody
Yes.
is you need to go to an inpatient facility. Calling 2026 CR 006455, State versus Carlos Hernandez. Can I have parties announced?
Lawrence Meza for the state.
Robert Bromont for Carlos Hernandez.
And are you Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hernandez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Not to the full extent. I wanted to see.
All right, so this is the true bill of indictment. It's telling you what you're charged with.
Yes,
Do you know what you're charged with?
yes, yes.
Did you review that with your attorney? All right. Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, state is going to proceed on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, PG one and less than 1 gram.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review this document, the court admonishments? It tells you what your rights are. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes.
Yes,
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, he's mentally competent, was insane.
Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, according to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram. They're asking that your punishment be assessed under 1244 to 100 days in the Bexar County Jail, a $600 fine. They're taking in consideration 2026 PF 24012. Did you understand that as your plea?
Yes,
State defense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and rules upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No comment.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, state offers states exhibit 1 and all attached.
No objection, Your
All
Honor.
right, state, you may be excused. Oh, did you give me the PF to sign?
It should be behind the third paper.
Here it is, right here.
Oh,
Here it is. Here it is.
All right, thank you, yes.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Mr. Hernandez, are you the person who's listed as D1 in the police reports?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am, we are.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, I think you'll do well. Put all this behind it.
All right, the court will sentence you to the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 less than 1 gram. Court will sentence you to 100 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244, give you credit for any time served. There's a $600 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Take in consideration 2026 PF 24012. And there's to be no residing in households with minors. And no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, yes,
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question or what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
yes, I do. Your Honor.
All right, so you're gonna have to make some changes, right?
Absolutely.
So I read the police report. The best thing for you to do when you're released from custody
Yes,
is you need to go to an inpatient facility.
that's what I'm trying to do.
All right, so Lifetime, you can go to Lifetime. There are other.
Courtroom Ministries.
Yes.
I'm involved with that, and Dr. Jeffrey Hutt, which is Bud, to Jeffrey Bud, he's a psychiatrist and is addictionologist.
Okay.
Or is right here close to Santa Rosa Hospital, and he prescribes Suboxone as well as psychological classes. He just gives me the LCDC. That's chemical dependent counselor, which I was mostly involved with. I just started with them, so I'm excited about doing.
Okay, that is awesome. If for some reason something happens, you get lost, you come back here, we will direct you where you need to go, but you need to make sure you get help, okay?
Yes, I do. We are. Thank
All
you so
right.
much.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
for your help.
And is this supposed to be a judgment satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
I only have 37 days for.
30.
so-
No, he has 100 days. Let's see
So
how many
here's the
days
thing.
we're in.
let me explain to you about that. So I've sentenced you to 100 days. Sometimes at the Bear County Jail, if you're wearing orange, that means that you're in general population. So
Right.
every day you serve, you get credit for 2 days. I'm not in charge of the sheriff giving you 2 days for every day you serve. The only thing I can tell you is if you've been at the jail for 30 days, you're going to get 30 days credit from this court.
Excellent.
Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you. All right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good luck to you.